Welcome to Sai Techno channel, and let's today we'll see about Wordpad. Who are the basic learners? For them it's very useful, and don't know, they can learn easily Wordpad. So let's start here. You can click here start option, and you can type here Wordpad. You can open the Wordpad here, and another easy way is just you can be drag and drop there also on desktop. Just you can be drag and drop on desktop. See, now I have taken here Wordpad. I want to be drag and drop. See, just you click and drop here, so directly you can be open the Wordpad. So it's a easy process for short, because always your opening is somewhat difficult to you, so then you can be start this one. See, let's start. We'll see the Wordpad options. See, this is Wordpad, and first this is called title bar. So it shows you what is the file name. See, now it's showing here document Wordpad. Suppose if you have saved with file name, it will show you the file name. So this is called menu bar. Here all menus will be available. You can work with the shortly. And you can see here view menu bar. So somewhat here also some options will be there. You can use the menu bar. And here this is called working area, or you can say work area. So doing your project or typing or drawing, whatever things you want to do, you can do the content we can use here. And this one is called status bar. So it will show you the working process when you are doing the control save, control V, copy paste, or somewhat zoom also you can do it here. Right side zoom is there, you can do it small and big zoom also. Okay, that is you can be used. That is all again. So now let's start here to be first here. First panel, cut, copy and paste. See here, there are three options: are cut, copy, paste. See, now I have written here self introduction. I want to be cut this one. You can be use the cut option, or else you can use the Control X also short key for cut option. Okay, and here copy paste. See, copy means what? I want to make duplication of this one. First you have to use copy, and you have to paste here for making double one. You can be click the paste. So it will become the copy paste, or you can use shortcut key also. Suppose you want to use a shortcut key, like you can use Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Suppose I am using shortcut key, I not see Control C have pressed its copy. I want to make Control V it paste. So like short key also you can use. So when you learn perfectly, you can use short key more. So it will be help you for working fastly. And we can see here, this is the font tab. You can say here related font, all options will be available. First let's see the font style. We can see here. Okay, now here font styles are there. This is now already which we selected here. These are the font styles. So which kind of font style you want, you can be take here. Arial black is there, Arial is there. Okay, and you can see Bold EMT is there. So which kind of design is appearing left side, you can see right side also font style is changing, but you have to be select that which you want to be do, that you have to be select. Suppose I have selected here this boldly on, so it's a become. And if you want to be font size increasing or decreasing, see now 20, this size is what normally now 26 is there. If you want to be increased, you can use 48, or if you want to decrease, you can be use this one. So you can use, or else you can be do manually also here. Automatically also you can use here grow font. It is called grow font. So just when you click, it will grow normally. And this is called shrink font. Means when you click, it will be shrinking. Means it is decreasing the font size. That is called shrink. And this one you can see here bold. Bold means somewhat font will be thick side. See already it is. You can see here. I am selecting this para. This is normal. I want to make bold. Bold means somewhat thickness will be. Just I will click here, so it's come the bold. You can see. And if I want to make italic means what? Somewhat curved design will be there. Just you can be see right side some curved design. Just you click here, so you can see here font style will look somewhat different kind, some attractive. And this is for underline. So whatever you want written, you want to keep underline, you can use this one underline. See, I have selected here, so you can see a down line is come. So that is called underline. If you want like titles, headings, you can be use the underline, that one. And here come here, that is on strike throw. So suppose I have written here Bangalore. Bangalore is misspelling or somewhat wrong is there, you can be use as a strike. So when you put the strike, so it will show the wrong. When you're reading the content, they can understand, yes, it's not valid. So and next comes here superscript and subscripts. So like when you're doing the manual question paper for science like physics, chemistry, then they'll use the S2O or like this. Then suppose I have taken here H2O, H2O. See, it's look no S2O. S2O means it should be come the down like superscript. When you select here, you can use the subscript, that will go the down. It's look now exactly S2O, so it will be understandable. Same way, if you want to be do any mathematical operation like powers will be there. Suppose now I am written here 512, 512 power the 5. But if you want to write, it's coming normal. So then you have to use select 5 this last two powers. Then you have to use here superscript, click here, so powers will go out. Now you can say 512 power the 5. So like this, when you're doing the mathematical operation project or question paper, you can use this one. And this is come the label. See, I want to make highlight of this self introduction, then I have to select any one label. See, I can change highlighted. Or if suppose I want to be change the font style, so now it's a black, I want to change your font style, means you have to select here text color. Here is the, you can be change the color, which kind of color you want, we can suppose I want to change this color is as a green, just I have selected it. So like this, which kind of color you want, you can be changes, that is for related the font styles. And next comes here indent. Indent means moving text one to another side. See, suppose here is you want to be make somewhat forward, then you can use right indent, that is called right indent. You can use like tab also, you can use a short key. Okay, if you want left indent, you can use the same. Here tab will not work. This is indent. Okay, this you can use for the indent option, left indent, right indent. And here the bullets. Suppose you want to write point to point. See, suppose I have written one point here, I want to take one bullet, like colors, numbers also you can take. Say I want to write something else here, I want to take bullet. So like bullet wise will come like symbolic. So it will show like point to point about your projects or point to point about a theory. So you can be use it. And here you can use point to bullet, you can use numbers, you can use, okay, alphabets you can use, Roman numbers you can use. So depend upon your work, you can be use the your content, you can be modified. And next comes here, this is the space. So here font style is, you can see this line is very near, you want to make the gap between that one, just you select, see here 1.5 can take somewhat more, if you want to more than 2 you can take. So like line to line, if you want to give the gap, then you can be use this line spacing option. Normally one will be there, you can enough. Or if you want somewhat more, 1.15 you can keep, normally one will be enough there. This is a line spacing. And here comes here font has to be set left alignment, right alignment, center. See the font, you can see this is now center is there, you want to keep the right side, left alignment, right side, right alignment, center. So like this, depend upon your work, you can be set your fonts. And it's come under justify, this is called justify. So sometime what happen, you have written one letter but somewhat less is there, it's look very ugly. See, now it's end line is end here, this line is end here, and this line is ending here, so it look, it's not exactly. So if you want to make exactly, then you have to use the justify. You can see it will be set, the both side will be set it. And paragraph, this is paragraph, it's no use. Okay, then you can see here insert picture. If you want to be take any picture you in this project, you can be, you see I'm taking insert picture, and I have to find where I have saved. Suppose I have saved here in on desktop. Okay, I'll be select somewhat another, my folder will be there. So your location has to be select where you have saved. So then you can be easily, you can see this one I want insert, click and open it. So you can be take image in your WordPad easily. So if your project you want to keep highlighted or image with font you want to keep, there you have to be use it. And paint drawing. So if you want to be use paint as a, you can be use a paint here. So some more drawing you can make. So you can be drag it. Okay, it's not touch. Okay, you can use the paint. Here also you can use. And date and time. Suppose you want to be keep right side or left side and bottom you want to be keep the date and time. See, just I want to keep right side here, date and time. Just you have to select here, and this is the format of your system. So all system date today whatever is there, this kind of you want, just you click OK. So here date will come here. So no need to be type all date, month and this one. Just you can be select and you can be use the date option. And insert object. So this is insert object. What happened if you want to be bring another applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So you can be bring here the that will be seen future, that will be there. And you can see here find, replace and select all. See if you want to be find, see here some you have 10 page 20 page content is there, you want to be find out particular this very option, or you can see some more name is there, Rahul is there. So you want to find out, just you click here, or you can use Control F shortcut also. Just I want to search here Rahul, I will type here, I'll make here find. See whenever Rahul appearing it show the names of there, you can be find out. And one more thing, you want to be replace it, this you don't like this name, you want to be changed Rahul, you want to be replace it, just you click here Rahul, replace you want to be Abhi. So you can be replaced once, wherever Rahul is it will be changed, or if you take replace all at a time, replace will be there. So now you can see here WordPad has finished searching the document. See you can see now Rahul will not be available, only see only instead of Rahul it will be Avi, you can be change it, you can see fine. So like this replacement. And select all you can use, just if you want to be full content you want to select, you can select, otherwise you can use shortcut Control A also you can use for the select all. So I hope you will like this video. If you like the video, please comment and share and subscribe it. Thank you.